My friend's father has an older RedMax line trimmer that hasn't been used in a while, so my friend asked me to clean it up so he could use it as his backup line trimmer. It was really dirty. I used 2 cans of brake clean to get all the crud off of it. I love brake clean. Some of the screws were a little bit loose. If you take apart your equipment like this, be sure to use Loctite on the screws and let it set up for 24 hours before putting it back into use. I noticed that the spark plug wire was arcing on the cylinder head heat shield. The wire will probably need to be replaced in the near future. I totally forgot to tell my friend about this, so hopefully he watches this video. The piston and cylinder chamber were covered in carbon. I used a flat blade screwdriver to scrape off the carbon from the top of the piston, but I didn't want to scrape inside of the chamber for fear of damaging the cylinder wall. I'm sure there's some kind of cleaner you could use to melt this stuff, but I didn't bother. I just suggested that my friend add some Lucas fuel treatment. If you take apart your engine, be sure to line up the space in the piston ring with these little pins in the ring grooves so that the rings can be squeezed into the cylinder. The little pin for the top ring and the bottom ring are about 50 or 60 degrees apart. The air filter was so dirty and clogged up. I think the engine was probably running rich, causing the massive carbon buildup. I'm totally guessing about this and hope to learn more when I take more of these things apart. Good luck, guys!